Can you use your own insurance after a car accident in North Carolina? After a car accident, many people assume that they have to deal only with the other driver's car insurance company. But in North Carolina, you may also be able to use your own insurance coverage depending on the situation. For example, if you have collision coverage, then you may be able to go through your own insurance company to repair your vehicle, even if the other driver was at fault. Your insurance company may then later seek reimbursement from the at-fault insurance company. Your policy may also include medical payments coverage, which is sometimes called MedPay. This can help pay for some of your medical expenses after an accident. And if the other driver does not have insurance or they don't have enough insurance coverage, then your policy may include uninsured motorists or underinsured motorists that could help with your case. Every case and every insurance policy is a little different, but in many situations your own insurance policy can provide additional options for your legal case.